This is Lab 23, Example 1. We want to determine whether k is a 0 of f of x. We have f of x is equal to x to the fourth minus 8x to the third minus x squared plus 62x minus 34, and k is equal to 7. We are going to use synthetic division and the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem is as follows. If f of x is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is equal to f of k. If k is a 0 of f of x, then f of k equals 0. And if k is not a 0 of f of x, then f of k does not equal 0. So, using synthetic division, we're going to divide out x minus 7 from this polynomial. So, synthetic division, in synthetic division, we're going to deal with the coefficients of all of our numbers in our polynomial here. So our coefficient for x to the fourth is 1. It's a number in front of our x's. And then our coefficient for negative 8x to the third is negative 8. So just going down the line, this one's going to be negative 1. This one's going to be 62. And this one's going to be negative 34. And then we're going to divide by, x minus 7. But again, we're just going to deal with the 7 here. So we're dividing by 7. Draw a line. So for synthetic division, what we do first is we just bring down this first number. Just put that number there. Whatever number here that we're working on, we're going to multiply it by the number here. So you have 1 times 7, that's going to give us 7. Whatever that turns out to be, we're going to put in this spot right here. So 1 times 7 is 7. And then we are going to add whatever numbers in these columns. So you have negative 8 plus 7. That is going to give us negative 1. So now we're at negative 1. Whatever number is here, we're going to multiply by this and then put it here. So negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. And then we're going to add. So negative 1 plus negative 7 is negative 8. So that's this. So on and so forth. So negative 8 times 7 is going to give us negative 56. We're going to add 62 and negative 56. That's going to give us positive 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Adding negative 34 and 42, we get 8. So what this essentially means, using our remainder theorem, is that our remainder is 8. So this right here is our remainder. And using that theorem from before, we know that f of k is equal to 8. And which does not equal 0, right? 8 is not 0. And because it's not 0, our theorem says if k is not a 0 of f of x, then f of k does not equal 0. So because it does not equal 0, we know that 7 or k equals 7 is not a 0 of f of x. So if this number here, if it ended in 0, it would be a 0 of f of x. But because it's any other number that isn't 0, it is not a 0.